this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use this basic quilling tools. You can create different quilling things with this. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, the first and the basic tool you need is quilling needle. You can see here is the space between the needle. You have to attach the strip between it. Super quiller, it runs with the battery. You have to insert two cells and it works like this. You can see. Okay, so this is the quilling strips, clipper, quilling coach, quilling comb, quilling stencils, some border tools, mold and the glue. Firstly, I will show you how to use this quilling needle. Take one strip, attach it between the needle and start rolling it. Roll it carefully. You can see the tight coil is ready. Remove it and apply glue on it. So fix the tight coil. So the tight coil is ready. Now I will show you how to use the super quiller. Take one strip, insert it between the needle and start rolling it. You can see it's very easy and it takes very less time. I will drop down the link in the description so you can also buy the super quiller. So now I will show you how to use this clipper. Take one strip, place it between the clipper and start rolling it. Now you can see we get the so perfect zigzag pattern on the strip. Now I will show you how to use this quilling coach. Insert needle in it. Take one strip, place it between the needle and start rolling it. Now remove the needle and you get the perfect coil. Now I will show you how to use this border tools. This is the holder. You can easily hold this tool with this. Take one strip and wrap it like this. We get the square border. Take another strip. This is the triangle border tool. You can make of any size you want to. Apply glue and start rolling. This is the triangle. This is the circle border tool. Take one strip and start rolling it. So we get the three shapes. You can use holder on any other. Now I will show you how to use this quilling comb. You can see here are the number from 1 to 20. Take one strip, place on the first rod and paste it. Now move to second. Like this, you can make any size you want to. I have made it this till 6 rod. So you can see it's so beautiful. Now I will show you how to use this mold. Take one tight coil and place it on the mold. You can see we get the cup shape. You can use this for the jhumkas. Now I will show you how to use this stencil. First make the tight coil. Then place it any one size you want to, and then remove it. You can see you get perfect loose coil. So here are the shapes we have made it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video.